Today we are going to draw a very cute Minecraft creeper together. In our first panel, the page is completely empty, like a quiet white sky waiting for an adventure. Take a deep breath, hold your imaginary marker, and get ready. Soon we will build a tall, blocky green creature, one simple shape at a time. Now we begin with the head. Draw a neat cube near the top of the panel. Make the front square, then add the top and side lines so it looks three-dimensional. This cube will become the character's face, so keep it strong, simple, and centered. Great job! In this panel, add two small square eyes on the front of the cube. Place them evenly, like tiny windows looking out. Do not rush. These simple little eyes help our blocky character start to feel alive and curious. Now give the face an expression. Under the eyes, draw a square, blocky mouth shape with a little open section in the middle. It should look surprised, shy, or a tiny bit worried. The head is still just lines, but now it has personality. Next, we start the long body. Draw a tall rectangular box under the cube head. Keep the body narrow and straight, like a tower. This panel shows how a simple head and body can already create the main shape of our character. In this panel, refine the body so it feels more three-dimensional. Add side edges and bottom lines to the tall rectangle. The character is standing upright now. Keep the lines clean, bold, and easy to follow, just like building with blocks. Now add the first front foot blocks. At the bottom of the body, draw two small cube shapes facing forward. These little blocks help the character stand. Think of them like sturdy shoes made from square stones. Add another block behind the body on the right side. This creates the back foot and makes the character look more balanced. The drawing is becoming a full standing creature, with a cube head, tall body, and chunky square feet. Now we repeat and clean the full body structure. Check the head, body, and feet. Make sure the cube angles feel clear. This panel is like a practice checkpoint, where we make the whole character look steady before adding final details. In this panel, sharpen the outlines and make the feet look more even. The front cubes should sit firmly on the ground, while the back cube stays partly behind the body. Our blocky friend is getting stronger with every step. Keep refining the character. Smooth the long body lines, straighten the cube edges, and make sure the face stays centered on the head. The drawing should still be black and white only, like a coloring page waiting for the final moment. Now check the full silhouette. The head is a cube, the body is tall and rectangular, and the feet are made of small cubes. This panel helps children see that a character can be built from simple shapes, one piece at a time. We are almost finished with the line drawing. Strengthen the face lines, the head edges, and the body outline. Make the square eyes and blocky mouth clear. The character should look complete, but still uncolored. In this panel, do one more careful cleanup. Keep the lines bold and tidy. Make sure each cube corner connects neatly. This is the final check before the last black and white version, so every shape should be easy to see. Here is the completed black and white drawing. The full character is finished. Cube head, square eyes, blocky mouth, tall body, and cube feet. Pause for a moment and admire the shape before we bring it to life with color. Now it is time for color. Fill the character with bright flat green, keeping the bold black outlines. Color the face details dark so the eyes and mouth stand out. Wonderful work, little artists. Our blocky green character is complete and ready for its adventure.
You did an incredible job following the story step by step. If you want more magical drawing adventures, cute characters, coloring fun, and surprise animations, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Keep drawing, keep smiling, keep imagining. And I'll see you in our next magical art adventure. Bye-bye, little artists!